Offering a variety of Udemy courses helps you make more revenue on the platform, but how can you go on and create all of these different courses? In this video, I'm going to share with you a few strategies you can use to create more training courses that you can put on Udemy, you can put on Teachable and other places. We're going to focus on Udemy specifically for this video, and we talk about all the time, how do you get more visibility and revenue? So this is the type of channel you should subscribe to if you want videos of that nature. So Udemy is a really great platform for reaching more people through the discoverability side, even if you don't have your own audience. I did a recent video saying if Udemy is still worth it for instructors, where I detail how you can instantly get an email list of over 10,000 people using the power of Udemy. So when it comes to creating all these different courses, a big weakness Udemy has is that you can't do a seed launch. A seed launch is all you really have is like the picture of the course, the sales page, and none of the content created yet. And then you sell that. And you pretty much say, we have an 8-week course. Week 1, we're going to talk about this. Week 2. So each week's going to be its own section. And you only really need to have week 1 done in time. And the benefit to this is if your seed launch doesn't make any sales, then you don't have to create the course. While on Udemy, you do have to create the course. You have to have the videos up, and then that gives you the ability to sell on Udemy. And while that may be an obstacle for people who would rather do the seed launch approach, with Udemy, one strategy you can use is just have the bare bones course up in the beginning, see how students engage with that course and what your sales numbers look like, and then based on that data, decide to take some courses to the next level, give them updates and more content based on which ones are performing the most. So what I recommend people to do is create 1-hour-long Udemy courses, put them up, do a free coupon promotion, or make your course free on Udemy for a short time just to get some engagement and see if this is a course with a lot of potential to grow. And then after you see that this course is something that can grow, add more content to it. Make it a 2-hour course, a 3-hour course, maybe even a 4-hour course, because people are engaging with it. And if people see more content in the course that they can binge through and consume, they're just more likely to end up buying the course, even if they don't know who you are yet. And when it comes to creating the videos, I recommend setting aside 15 to 30 minutes each day just to create videos for your courses. You could also set aside some of that time to create videos for a YouTube channel, because if you get really great at producing a lot of training courses, you might as well commit one of those videos each day to your YouTube channel, because that's going to help you grow your platform. And then growing your platform is what allows you to truly see the meaningful sales you would like to see on a place like Udemy. So having those 15 to 30 minutes aside is going to be a big game changer. And if you do it each day, it's that difference of you're committed when you do it daily. You're only interested if you do it from here every once in a while. So having those daily habits are critical. And even if the course doesn't sell very well and you put in that hour, I mean, it's not like you put in 5 hours into the course. And also, you do get thousands of students if you do the free coupon strategy, or if you make your course free long enough, you will get thousands of students into your courses who you'll be able to email, and you'll be able to let them know when you come out with a new YouTube video, or if it's a paid course, you'll be able to let them know about a coupon you have going on for one of your courses. So there's a lot of different things you can do with the audience that you're able to very easily get on Udemy compared to creating a course and putting it on Teachable. And if you do put out all these different courses and you're not really sure what your next course is going to be, but you still want to do the videos, you can add updates to one of your Udemy courses, as we mentioned before, that is doing well. You want to prioritize the courses that have the most sales or that have the most potential to make sales based on what Udemy's data tells you. One other thing you could do when you create all these different courses, that gives you so much material to repurpose into books. So turn training courses into books, turn your books into training courses, and keep that cycle going, because that repurposing is what allows you to get more mileage out of your existing content. And again, 15 to 30 minutes, it's not a lot of content to produce each day, but it really builds up over time, and you're going to have like 10% of your Udemy courses making 90% of your revenue. You get to those numbers by creating more courses, doing more promotions. And with each promotion you do, your audience gets bigger. I mean, right now, through creating dozens of Udemy courses, I have almost 130,000 students right now. I can see that number hitting 200,000 in the future, even going well beyond that. And it's just a matter of creating the courses, providing value, seeing what your students like, and really getting clear on which courses can really shine for you. And that's the whole strategy behind using Udemy and creating a lot of courses on that platform. If you guys want more videos about growing your visibility and boosting your revenue, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today.